13 Skywatch weather.
Unfortunately, the rain held off, so hopefully most of the moms were able to get out and about on this beautiful day. But we do have changes coming, and you can see on our radar, we have rain moving back into our far western mountain counties. We also have a severe thunderstorm warning over eastern Tennessee. And while these storms are expected to weaken, they are moving quickly to the southeast. And so places like Cataloochee around 720, don't be surprised if you get some lightning and some gusty wind, maybe even a downpour out of all of this. Now, the main event, the front that's driving all of these showers with the embedded thunderstorms, is well back to the west of us. We can see western Tennessee, Mississippi, back down to Arkansas. That is where the severe weather is going on, but we can't rule out the slightest chance that we could get a severe thunderstorm as we go through the late night and the overnight. In our far western mountain counties, there's a marginal risk here in the green shaded area, and that does include Cherokee County, part of Clay County, and most of Graham County. So be aware if you're in the western mountains, you may want to make sure that you have multiple ways to get warnings before you go to bed tonight. There could be some warnings issued, and the biggest threat out of any severe storm is going to be that capability for some damaging wind. Now we move ahead to tomorrow, and notice that threat shifts to the east, just right on the eastern fringes, and that includes the upstate just to the east of the foothills over to Charlotte if anyone has travel plans that way. So we take you hour by hour, and we can see how unsettled we remain as we go on through the evening with these showers and storms. It's not going to be a complete washout. We are going to have a lull in the action, and then around midnight we can see some of that rain picking up from the west with that front moving closer. Again, embedded thunderstorms are possible out of all of this. We get closer to daybreak though, things do begin to wind down. This model just shows some lingering light rain, and then as we go throughout the day, we could still have a few thunderstorms in the morning. That front's going to be slowly moving in early in the day, but right now it does look like we'll have that drier air move back in later in the day. And because a lot of these storms could be moving quickly and dying out as they do make it over the mountains, we're not expecting huge rainfall totals out of this, but the heaviest rain is going to be in those southwestern mountain counties. As you can see, some locations picking up close to an inch. Gusty winds continue as we go on through the evening. As we go through the overnight though, we do see those gusts dying down a little bit there. So not quite as windy through the overnight hours. Warm night tonight with all that warm rising air ahead of that cold front. We stay in the upper 50s in Asheville, some lower 60s as we head to the east, and our highs tomorrow. That cold air not quite making it in here. Again, the front will slowly move on through tomorrow. We're back in the lower to mid 70s. We hit a high of 75 today. Eventually that colder air returns. On Tuesday we're feeling the changes, much cooler for the middle of the week, and then we do see those temperatures rebound as we head on into the following weekend.